Not gonna take my hand.
Sorry. Oh, you know what?
Hey, oh, okay, well,
What? Were you not? Oh, did I forget to do a booster?
you did not do a booster.
No, my cat is now complaining to me about that. I'm sure that's what she's complaining about. Did you want to meow for the microphone? No, no meowing for the microphone. Okay. Well,
Oh, that's right. Cool, that sun is bright. Okay.
yeah.
Hey, hello, Spore
Tagging map.
Tower. I see
East,
you.
200 meters.
Do you see it?
I think so. Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Are you just gonna take it down?
Just so you know what it looks like.
Oh, hello! Look out!
Yeah, well, I'll be later.
Wow, that was a very panicked reinforcing. Let's see if I can't land on him. Where is he? He's right there. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah.
You might want to move. You might want to move. You might want to move. You might want to move.
I can't move. I'm ragdolling. I'm dead, apparently. I don't know how I died before the explosion. I just died.
Because it's said those flares are burning hot.
Oh, well, okay.
So the entire that thing is burning. That's doing damage to them as well.
That Helldiver lasted 2 seconds. They're like, oh, my pod's finally launching. I'm going to finally join the fight. And they get out and they just, like, burn. That's great. That's great. Ah, yes.
Ooh, it is. Oh, I see Thumb Rock.
Oh, nice.
This is a fake one. Oh!
New back.
Oh, hey, fire tornadoes. Nice.
Oh. This planet.
Well, those are always fun. Especially when I'm using the wrong one.
Oh, there's some near us.
Oh. Oh god, that's fire and acid.
Oh, there's so many of them.
What, the tornadoes?
No,
Calling down a
these,
sentry.
Oh,
yeah,
there's
we're
something
coming.
behind me. Hey, there's more coming in.
Did you at least call me in? Okay.
Oh, we have a friend.
And he just came in as soon as we died, so that doesn't. That's.
My stuff is right here. Somebody's burning. You okay?
I am. But I went to grab my stuff.
I just hear you over there screaming.
Requesting sentry. On tunnel 3.
He's got the terminal. Oh!
Oh, that's a right there. Oh my dear lord. Missed. Really?
Ow! Yep.
Oh, he's not showing me his face. I'm just kind of blasting. There we go.
Okay.
So that's a lot of fire.
Yeah, that is. Cool. Should we continue north to the,
Oh, it's a fire tornado.
Wow, there's fire everywhere. Oh, I'm on fire. Okay, that sucked. I couldn't dive in time because I was flying. You just hear me screaming.
This guy's probably thinking like, man, these guys suck.
Yeah, we do.
Democracy has
Well,
landed.
I do. I know, I was gonna get out of here with the jump pack, but I can't, because the jump pack is just gone. I have no idea where it was. I got my sniper rifle back, but the jump pack's gone.
Oh, I thought you got that one over there.
What one?
Shit. Come on. Get it in. Ah. What the? There we go. Jeez Louise, that was such a bad
Back
aim.
inbound.
Oh, big guy coming in.
Requesting orbital.
Yeah, but I think he's dead. I think I caught him.
Okay, I'm getting out of there.
Nope, he's still alive. I just damaged him. Is he still? I shot him with 2 rockets. You know what? Suck it. Okay. So far, so good. We've had no snags. This is so hard to see.
Bug outpost spotted.
You're not dead? Come on.
Oh shit! Did we do 2 Gatling right next to each other? Okay, now that's just
I
the.
don't know, you two are off on your own. Or rather, I'm on my own. We'll see how I do on my own down here.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah. Thanks.
I trust you.
Requesting sentry.
I don't know why.
Spotted.
Oh! Well, my sentry took me out, so that's fun.
Well, that happens to the best of us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I should probably bring you that, huh?
I mean, you know, if you want to.
Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
Just gonna run away from the flames. Oh, there's a
Enemy elite. South. 50
impaler.
Blow 'em up with your grenades like everyone else.
My grenades?
Yeah, you don't have the thermite grenades
meters.
yet?
Throwing grenade.
No, I just pissed him off. That's all I did.
I don't know, you killed him, look at that.
Was that really me, or was that one of you guys?
That was both of us.
Bag's empty.
I was gonna say. Ow. Come on.
We both hit him with the missile at the same time.
I guess I should probably stim myself since I'm actually injured.
Once you get the counter sniper, you can just shoot those guys in the head.
I have a counter sniper.
Huh?
I have that weapon.
No, you just have the diligence.
Well, I don't have it equipped.
Why don't you have the diligence counter sniper?
I don't know.
The diligence counter sniper is better than the regular plain old diligence.
Does it have the same magazine size?
I'm not 100% sure. But it has medium pen. And I think more damage even.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's actually a good point. Okay, well.
Oh, jeez. Well, okay, that was a dumb death.
Calling in reinforcements.
Try to throw you over near where, at least in the direction you died.
Well, you're just over here chilling, and then you just watched me die over there?
I got my
Oh.
stuff back.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. My sentries are actually going to do some work this time rather than chop me to bits.
Package acquired. Dropping package.
Oh boy, that's a lot of bugs.
Okay.
Requesting sentry.
Oh, I am out of grenades. I can't take this place out.
Say hello to
Oh.
democracy!
Oh, hello to democracy. Are you able to, oh, maybe F3 isn't there doing that. Oh,
No, I see it. No, you landed on it.
Reporting to the front.
Good job.
thanks.
You landed on the thing.
The thing?
On the bug hole.
Oh, yeah. I totally meant to do that, yeah.
Yeah, I know you did.
Yup. Oh, got close to that. Fortunately, not too close.
That's a lot of bugs.
Behind you.
Okay.
Oh, and next to me, apparently.
Okay, they're just going around this rock.
Freedom never sleeps. Calling down a sentry.
Requesting advanced weaponry.
Gosh, stop spitting on me. You guys are disgusting.
I mean, they are. Head over to
Dropping a pin. North.
there. I'm gonna head to evac and drop this off.
Maybe I should wait for F3. F3 may have angered. Yeah, F3 angered them.
Bag's empty.
We won't talk about that.
Requesting sentry.
Requesting sentry.
Might as well drop my samples over here too. So, while I'm at it.
Main objective near your position. Calling down a sentry. Mag's empty. New mag.
Alright, one way.
They're all kind of either with you or I'm not sure F3 knows where to go.
I don't know what F3 is doing. I think he's probably making his way over to you.
Slowly.
Requesting sentry.
Well, he's probably being followed, but I'm not
Could
sure.
be.
Mag's empty.
He could
Oh,
be very
hey,
careful.
guys. Hey, you're all coming to play, huh? Ow. Okay. Guess what? We're just gonna drop that. Liberty will save me, that's right.
New mag.
Liberty?
Liberty will save. Well, it's Liberty save me.
Liberty. I wonder if someone actually made that joke. Or if the game developer is like, no, it's not actually Liberty.
Ow, 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 ow. I shouldn't just run in front of that thing, especially when I am out of stims.
Yeah, especially since you don't want to die now that we're almost there.
I'm dead.
Calling in reinforcements.
Yeah, F3 left.
I threw you down. I was just, wait, where are you?
What?
Oh, wow,
Point me
he
to the
actually
enemy.
did the. Because I threw you in pretty quickly, but he got it first. God
Apparently.
damn, he must have done that like instantly.
And
That's
I'm
impressive.
super far away now.
Jeez. Little bug tried to attack me, and I just shoot him once in the head, and my character said, "That's what you call
Ow.
it, Ow.
Oh, good grief. There's bugs everywhere, and I don't have my jump pack. I can't jump up there. Damn it.
Requesting orbital. Calling down a sentry.
Sentry.
Are we ready to start, you think? Oh, we've already started. I see.
Yeah, I already have 9 in. We got Bud coming.
Northwest. Calling down a support weapon. Orbital inbound.
Ow. They run right in front of that turret. That's a really bad place for that turret.
Another triumph for managed democracy.
Easy.
May liberty guide your safe extraction.
Activating jump pack.
I'm gonna hit that rock.
I'm assuming that LOL means you just ate it.
I totally did right in front of L4, so I figured I should put that in chat. Just to, you know, let him know. I know. I know.
Oh, you little.
You know what? Killed you. I didn't think that would actually kill you.
A sniper rifle?
Oh, that was my sniper rifle. No wonder. I thought I had my pistol out.
Of course a sniper rifle's gonna kill me.
Do you need to... Yeah, okay, you're back.
That's why I always just hit you with it just bump you.
Yeah, I meant to pull out my pistol because it wouldn't actually kill you, but apparently I pulled out my sniper rifle.
I mean, I guess it's kind of payback for what was
Oh, but I might die here, so you know.
For prosperity!
Oh, there's an impaler here.
Bug tunnel breach. Bag's empty.
you having fun.
Yeah.
Rare sample acquired. Bag's empty. Switching orbital.
Well, that might be a little close.
Calling in extraction.
Extraction request confirmed. Shuttle inbound.
Bring me back, bring me back, bring me back, bring me back.
Don't you like the taste of freedom?
Coming in.
Where is he? Or she? Where is this impaler? I can't even see the impaler itself.
I just blew him up.
Oh, it's right over there. Okay. Well, that explains it.
That's it. Yeah.
Oh. Do you need to reload right now? Oh, we have a bug breach right here.
Oh, shit. Reload, reload.
I got an achievement for that.
Reloading you.
Pelican 1 approaching pickup.
Okay, that's it.
Pelican 1 preparing to depart. Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
Wow, you got a big old badonkadonk.
What? Are you checking out my ass?
Your character's hella caked up. What the hell? Like all I was doing was
So
just
what if I
running
got a
around.
dump truck?
I was running around, and all of a sudden I was like, I just saw this lump. I'm like, what the shit?
It's all about the booty. Come on. Don't body shame me.
Yes, so.